Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet Uppal and I'm a student at Toro College. Today I'm doing a math lesson on identifying and write equivalent fractions. Before I start the lesson, I will be reviewing the vocabulary words with the students. The three vocabulary words are numerator, denominator, and equivalent fraction. Numerator stands for name. Numerator are the names of the equal parts. Denominator names the total number of equal parts in the whole or the set. An equivalent fraction name the same part of a region or a set. The manipulative I'll be using in this lesson are fraction strips. This lesson is divided in two parts. Part 1, where students will identify equivalent fractions by using a paper circle. And Part 2, where students will find the equivalent fraction by using fraction strips. In Part 1, I will provide each child with a paper circle and ask them to color one half. The students will color one half of the circle and we will name this fraction. This paper circle is divided in two parts and out of two, one is shaded. So we will write the fraction on the blackboard. Then I will ask the students to fold the paper in fourths. And then they will be asked to count the total number of parts, which are 1, 2, 3, 4 now. And out of 4, as we can see, 2 parts are shaded. So 2/4 are equal to 1/2. Then I will ask them to fold the circle further in 8 parts. And students will notice that now the circle has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. And out of 8, 4 parts are shaded. So 4/8 is equal to 2/4 and 1/2. During the second part of the lesson, students will find the equivalent fractions by using fraction strips. I will divide the students in groups and give them the fraction strip. I will ask them to find how many 12ths make 1/3. And as we can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 12ths make 1/3. And students will record that answer on the index cards they are provided with. So 4 12ths is equal to 1/3. Let's see how many tenths make 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths make 1/2. So 5 tenths equals 1/2. Let's see how many 1/6 make 1/3. 2 1/6 make 1/3. Then I will ask the students to find the relationship between the denominators and the numerators and explain we don't have to depend on the fraction strips to find the equivalent fraction. We can find equivalent fraction by multiplying. So I will find the relationship. 3 times 4 equals 12. 1 times 4 equals 4. I will remind them that we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Let's see the relationship between 1/2 and 5 tenths. 1 times 5 equals 5 and 2 times 5 equals 10. 1/3 is equal to 2/6. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. So we can also find equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. Finally, I will summarize the lesson. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value. To find an equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Thank you.